Lena from LA Plans, and today I will be sharing the brand new contoured 6-ring agenda from Cloth and Paper. I am so excited to share this with you guys. So this is the brand new contoured 6-ring agenda. This has the black hardware, and I am so glad I went with the black hardware. I just think it's so pretty. It's like a nice sleek look. So I have had my eye on the Epi Leather agenda, and I'll leave a picture here. And this is such a great dupe for that agenda. I love the contour because it's just so different, and I just love the texture. The rings are a 30 millimeter or 1.18 inch ring, so you can fit a lot of items on there. This is the A5 6-ring agenda, so it is 7.1 inches by 8.7, and then I just love the snap closure because it matches the hardware. And I just can't get over this all black hardware and just this all black agenda. So there is one document pocket on the back and a pen loop, and the pen loop measures 7 and 8 inches. And then you have 6 credit card slots, 1 passport pocket, and then 2 additional document pockets. So you have a lot of storage and you have a lot of room for inserts. I am so excited for this agenda. I have been stalking the shipping updates because I cannot wait to move into this. So I will have an additional move-in video where I set this agenda up, but I am going to grab some of the inserts. So here are some of the November weekly inserts for 2021 from Cloth and Paper, and here's how inserts look inside of the agenda. So again, I just love an all black planner because I just love the way that it looks with the inserts in here. So other than that, that is the new Cloth and Paper agenda. And I will have a setup video very soon for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.